Hi, this is Ankush Bahuguna and you're watching me on femina.in, and please like, comment, share. It's an absolute myth because who said men can't wear makeup or women should wear makeup? The thing is that makeup is for anyone who wants to wear it, and aisa nahi hai that all women like wearing makeup. A lot of women also don't like wearing makeup, and they should not be living under the pressure that, oh, because I'm a woman I should be wearing makeup. And I mean, makeup is for everyone, and we're only talking about two genders here. There are so many other genders, and for so many of them, like for so many non-binary people, gender fluid people, trans people, makeup is a form of expression, their gender expression, and we can't ignore that. In 2022, we have had so much conversation about this that you can't just ignore that. Makeup transform. See, the thing is that makeup will not transform you. It's not surgery. it's just pigment that you're applying on your face. It can enhance your already existing features. That's what it can do, because it creates the whole illusion of light and shadow and highlighting and everything. But it's not going to transform you. It will definitely. You can highlight certain features of your face that you like, and you can take attention away from the features that you don't like. That's all that makeup can do. Otherwise, for everything else, there's Photoshop. Makeup actually does not make your skin look flawless at all. I mean, it completely depends on the lighting that you're shooting your picture or videos in. For example, I think people think this because they look at celebrity pictures and they constantly compare their skin to their skin, but they have access to all the skincare treatments in the world. They also have access to great lighting, great photographers, great setups. So please don't compare your skin to celebrity skin. A lot of them also have acne, a lot of them also have pigmentation, and a lot of them also have edited pictures online. So I don't think we're used to seeing makeup for what it is, which is, for example, if you go to a wedding, you see the bride, you can tell that she's wearing makeup. In pictures it may look perfect, but in real life it is going to look cakey, it is going to crease, it is not going to be perfect. Even our faces are not symmetrical from both the sides, right? So I think it's a myth that makeup can make you look flawless. I mean, you don't have to be flawless, first of all, and makeup will not hide your skin texture. It is not going to hide what you look like. And if we just had more people owning up to what their skin looks like with makeup, I think this journey will be a lot more easier. Not at all. You can be a makeup enthusiast with just one kajal stick or just one concealer also. If you're a makeup enthusiast, you don't have to have 5,000 products with you. I mean, I know a lot of beauty bloggers will make you feel like that. I'm sure मेरी stories देख के भी लोगों को लगता होगा कि oh, he has so many products and that's why he can create this look. But even if you have a concealer and a kajal, you can create so many things with it. You just need to have the desire to like play with what you have, and I think you will not want to. It only makes sense to buy more makeup when you're already in love with the products that you already own. First start using what you have and then think of buying more products. Why would only women wear makeup? Like, I mean, men wear makeup, non-binary people wear makeup, trans people wear makeup, gender fluid people wear makeup, and I think anybody who wants to wear makeup should be able to wear makeup, and anybody who doesn't want to wear makeup should not. It's as simple as that. Not anymore. I think we have so many Indian brands now which are so much more affordable, and of course, I mean, quality does come with a price, I'm not going to deny, but then the thing is that everybody has a budget, and makeup, there's affordable makeup also, which is great for the price that they sell it at. So yeah, you may not want to buy like a 5,000 ka loose powder, and 700 ka loose powder will not give you the same quality probably, but it's going to be good enough for how you want to use your makeup. So yeah, there should be affordable options also, and there are now many of them.